Well, I was a very energetic kid, pehle se hi. So I had the ability to, I guess, you know, if I enjoyed doing something, I could keep going on. I would be really energetic and keep playing all day and so on and so forth. Um, so I had that in me. I had that natural energy in me, but I probably didn't have the drive or the vision, the focus to channelize that energy well. Obviously, when your habits are not great, when you're young, you're not that disciplined. You're partying. You're not taking care of your rest. You have a few drinks as well. Your system's not responding the way it should be for a sportsman. And I think it has to be a thing that comes from within. It can't be taught to you. It can't be explained from the outside. So, luckily that thing came to me itself, that you need to get your act right if you want to be a successful international cricketer. Because if you continue like this, you're just going to be one player who played for a few years and then disappeared because he wasn't disciplined enough or didn't maximize his potential. So I thought, okay, I love batting. I'm working hard at cricket, but how can I improve? How can I get better? What can I add to my game? And then the whole fitness thing struck me, and it came to me, and actually I'm grateful for the fact that the game also moved simultaneously. We had a kind of a template that was followed around the world, and then the game rapidly from 2012 onwards is what I experienced, moved in the fitness and the whole culture around fitness in that direction. It moved very fast, and I saw other countries advancing to a level which I felt like we're being left far behind. And that's why you saw when a young team came in 2013 Champions Trophy, we competed and we won, because that was the demand. But how do you make that young team sustain the excellence for a long period of time? So I started working on myself in 2012, midway after the IPL. About 2013 is the time that I became too lean. 2014 I continued like that. Then 2015 onwards, Mr. Shankar Basu, who was the Indian team trainer and worked in RCB as well, he introduced me to Olympic lifting and speed, strength and power endurance and these kind of things, and I had never experienced that before. And because I trusted him, he had worked with me for 8 years, he said, trust me, just give this a go and you will see wonders happening with your body. I said, okay, I trusted him. I did this for 3 weeks, and my body just responded in a way that I never felt like myself ever again, like the slower self. I felt like someone had just put high octane fuel in my body and I was just flying. And from then on it became an obsession. I was like, I'm feeling quicker, I can react better on the ball, I am reacting better while catching, I am able to field longer periods for the whole day. So I am able to contribute for my team 5 times more than I was before. So why should I stop it? And if I am leading and if I want my teammates to put in effort, I should be there all day doing that first, before asking someone else to do it. So everything came together so wonderfully for me, my own thinking, my mindset, the fitness change, the boost through Mr. Basu, our trainer. The whole thing came along so well together, and I think 2016 is when I really hit my fitness peak. And from then on, I've just maintained for the last 3-4 years.